Nothing if she ain't about something. Then I got it next her. On to the next one. And she's bad, so I might holler. She get it from her mama, and she don't like lanes. She likes Richie. That's heavy in the game like me.
I see you looking at me, trying to figure out how I move to the beat so good.
Bad boy, baby.
Hello Vision Name Beauties, welcome to the channel. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I want to say I'm so glad you stopped by to check out this video. And for those of you who are not new to this channel, I want to say welcome back. If you want to see more on this hair, please continue to watch. Today's video is going to be on some hair that was sent to me by an Amazon company by the name of Beauty Forever. I received 3 bundles, a 16-inch, 18-inch, and 20-inch, and a 14-inch closure. And this is their Virgin Brazilian Curly. So this is the hair. Now I did wash the hair, and when I washed it, it loosened up the pattern of the hair, but it will bounce back once it is dry. I chose to wear it this way too. I wanted it wet and I wanted it looser, so this is what I did. I manipulated it this way. Let me go ahead and give you the 360 and then a close-up. So obviously the front.
I could change your whole sauce. You a little more spicy, yeah. Now you dealing with a boss. I might treat you rightly, nah. No more messenger, baby. Now you dripping icy, ayy. You keep hanging around me, baby. You start talking like me.
As you can see, I can run my hands through it without any snagging. So as of right now, I haven't experienced any shedding or tangling because I do not cut my wefts anyways. Let me go ahead and show you the close-up of the texture of this hair. Keep in mind it is wet, but it will curl back up. It's actually starting to curl up right now. The closure, I have it tilted to the side, so you pretty much get this much of parting space at the top. So it was a 4x4 closure. So that's all you get with this. The hair is decent. I really think the hair is decent. Now, I will say the ends are pretty good for Amazon hair. I think it's a pretty good price. You know, price point. It was inexpensive. That is pretty much the specs on this hair. Let me know what you think of this hair. I'll leave all information in the description box below and a link to purchase. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.